EZ360 presents how it's built. A turnkey photo studio. The turntable is the most important part of the turnkey system. It creates consistency in pictures, efficient workflow, and saves space. Composite tops will never rust or fade and are easily cleaned, protected by 3 layers of epoxy. AC motor with reduction gear protected by a VFD will last for decades. Gear and pin drive system is reliable, smooth, and quiet. The right lighting makes every car shine. We made it simple and affordable with outlets and lights that plug right in. Save time and money on electrical cost. 10 daylight LED stadium lights deliver more than 350,000 lumens of soft diffused light. The white diffuser material is included. Electric winches lift and position the entire light system. This is a wall-to-wall diffused lighting style for lower ceilings, and it still provides perfect lighting for your cars. Minimum space required for an automated studio is 24 by 24 feet. From drive-in to your website in just 7-10 minutes. Pictures are instantly published in 4K. No special skills needed. 4K pictures are 16 times bigger than HD, and when paired with our instant media player integration, more shoppers convert to buyers. Book a demo today at EZ360.tv or call us at 972-855-3500.